Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at this. It's the iDPRT. This is a thermal label printer. iDPRT, it says, let things better, faster, and vital. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. All right, folks, to get started, let's go ahead and show you the setup. Now, I've already put the printer paper in. No big deal there. And next up, we're going to power supply. Connect the power supply. I already have it switched on. And I'm going to go ahead and connect the USB. Now it's tied into my computer. Now for best results, we're going to go ahead and install their drivers and everything to where the software will work on my laptop. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy there. A fantastic product that I know you are going to dig. All right, that brings us to the unboxing portion of the video. People love the unboxing. I put it at the end because not everyone wants to see it, but it is extremely popular and you all ask for it. So here we go. See what's inside so you can imagine you bought this yourself. Hopefully it will convince you to do just that. All right, so there we go. Taking it out of the plastic. This guy's quite a cool looking little printer. All right, you got your labels. I think I read 72 labels per minute. That's incredibly fast. It's 1 a second. You can see the USB plugs in right there. Power supply accordingly. And a fun little device. On-off switch. And she's good to go, folks. All right. So yeah, I'm very excited about this. Let's see what else is in here. Labels and CD, DVD, and some manual type information. All right, folks, thanks again. Make sure you check yours out. I think you're gonna love this thing. I'm very excited to use it, and yeah. Oh, neat. All right. Thanks for watching, folks, and adios, amigos. Wow. So what are some cool aspects about this printer? First off, you're not using ink. Thermal means heat, which means you're not wasting money on expensive ink. And if you're printing labels all day, that's going to save you a ton of money. It's adjustable in size. You can use a variety of sizes and very common sizes that you can pick up pretty much anywhere. It's good for Windows or Mac operating systems, and you can use it whether it's at work, at home, the home office, whatever it is. And with so many people working from home offices today, it's dumb not to just have one of these sitting in your office, ready to go whenever you need to print something for your Amazon business, for your eBay business, whatever you may be doing. This is a great thermal printer to have, okay? It's cost effective, it's absolutely fantastic, and it prints, 72 labels a minute. That is lightning fast, and again, easy to set up. USB, power, DVD, it's set up. It's good to go. So let me go ahead and pass you over to see the unboxing so you can see what's in the box, and we'll wrap it up. But an absolutely amazing product you're absolutely gonna need.